Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. This is your English language instructor, Dr. Nurul Huda. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying the blessings of Allah. And I'm sure that by now you have already done your bridging activity, which was extremely easy because you just have to read the word and write it on the space below. Now let's look at the BLIFT. BLIFT clearly says that you have to spell and write familiar, common words. So what are familiar common words? Familiar common words are very special clues. We see them in every book, not only in English. We see them in every book and we use them every single day. Every single day we use them. Can you read this word? This is hippopotamus. Got it? We don't usually see it very often, so we cannot call it a common word. On the other hand, these words are present in every other book, English, Urdu, maths, whatever, the, and, in. So these words are everywhere. That's why we call them common words. They are small but powerful. So what we have to do today is we have to find 10 common words in your book. The first common set of words is used for me and you. For example, am, are, and we find them everywhere in every book. Can you find them over here? Very simple. They are already enlarged. So am and are very, very common sight words, which we find them every book. Now the other sets of common words are those words that point to things. They give you the clue. For example, the, in, of. They are even prepositions, and this is an article. We will be learning all of these in the upcoming classes, but for now these points towards the things. Can you see them? The, in, of. We find them in almost every sentence and they point at things. Now the third type of the common sight words are used for adding or changing. They are and, so, but. Now let's find them in these sentences, and they are already highlighted for you. So and is used for addition, so and but for the reason. They give you the reason, and you are going to find them in almost every other sentences. Now the other type is for the people and answer. For example, they and no. You know, no is an answer and they points towards the group of people. They are already here. They, know are group of very common words. So we have already highlighted a number of common words in these slides. So these are the words which you have to find in your text after watching the video. And remember, they are very common and they can be found in maths, in science, and in SST as well. So these are called common sight words. Now, while using those common sight words, you have to fill up this formative check in the class with the help of your teacher. Go home, do your homework. See you again in the next BLIFT. Till then, bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.